Okay, we're set today for permanency after final. I will note that I have read the permanency report that was filed on April 25th. And also there's a home study denial letter that was filed on the 12th of May that I did review this morning. Okay, Mr. Tramel, go ahead.
The department will call Kimberly Duncan Ferguson to the stand, Your Honor.
Okay, go ahead and raise your right hand.
Sorry, my computer cut out.
That's okay. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you will give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
Okay, go ahead and proceed, Mr. Tramel.
Will you state your name for the record?
Kimberly Duncan Ferguson.
And how are you currently employed?
Permanency case manager for 2 Engage.
And how long have you had that position?
Approximately 3 years altogether.
Okay. And are you the current caseworker for the Johnson children?
Yes, I am.
Okay. And was the department granted permanent managing conservator of the children on March the 5th, 2025?
Yes.
And to your knowledge, was that a relinquishment by the parents?
Yes.
Okay. Where are all the children currently placed?
They are placed in Dallas County and Ennis County in a foster home, 2 different foster homes.
Okay. Why aren't they all placed together?
That the boys' foster home wasn't able to take Brooklyn.
Okay. Is there a plan on finding in another foster home that all 3 children can be in so that they're not split apart?
That's something we're considering, but with the boys' mental state and Gilbert's mental state right now, I don't know that that's in their best interest to move them out of their current foster home.
Okay. And are the children currently getting sibling visits?
I'm sorry, my computer cut out again.
Are they currently getting sibling visits?
Yes, they have almost daily interaction. The 2 foster homes are related.
Okay. Are the foster homes adoptive homes?
The boys' home is adopted home.
Okay.
Brooklyn's is not.
All right. Do you know if Brooklyn's foster home is going to become licensed to adopt, or it's just not in the cards?
It's not in the cards. She's put in a discharge notice.
Okay. Are the children doing good in their current placement?
Yes, they are. They had a minor setback after the visitation with their parents stopped. There's a little bit of their previous trauma coming forward, but they've got back to their normal schedule now, and we are looking into actually more intensive trauma counseling for the children to assist with that.
Okay. Is that something that the court could help facilitate by making an order?
Yes.
Okay. And so can you get everybody a list of the services that we'd like the children to be ordered to perform?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That is the update.
Sorry, I was making note.
You're good. You said there was a discharge notice on Brooklyn. Is there any placements options currently?
Yes, the placing agency has 2 potential placements within their company that they're exploring for us as well, and we also are exploring outside.
Okay, where are those placements located?
They're both in Dallas County, and they should be in the same, still be in Dallas ISD, but just have to transfer to a different school.
Okay, so not too far away from her siblings.
Correct.
Okay. And would they still facilitate significant contact between Brooklyn and her brothers?
Yes.
What are the current permanency goals for the children?
Unrelated adoption.
Okay. What's the secondary goal?
Unrelated conservatorship, I believe.
Okay. Do you believe that the children's current placements can meet all the children's needs?
Yes.
Okay, so they're taking them to their medical appointments, they're helping with education, all those things.
Yes, they are.
Okay. Any concerns?
Not currently. I mean, other than what I've mentioned about the more intensive counseling therapy.
Okay. Do you believe that these goals are in the best interest of the children, the permanency goals?
Yes, I do.
Move on to Brooklyn. Are all of Brooklyn's physical needs being met?
Yes, they are.
Any issues?
No.
Are all of Brooklyn's educational needs being met?
Just.
Yes.
The reason why neither of us. are
Any
there,
issues?
like, covering-
She's been falling behind in her grades, but she's working on picking those up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are all of her medical needs being met?
Yes,
Just call me if you-
Psychological.
that's questionable. That's why we're changing more intense therapy.
Okay. Is there a child plan of service for Brooklyn?
Just call me.
I'm sorry?
A
Can you
child
repeat?
plan of,
Just-
is there a child plan of service for Brooklyn?
Yes, there is.
Okay. And is she following all of those recommendations from those services?
Yes,
Okay. And we've already discussed, we're gonna have a list of extra services for Brooklyn to get at a later date.
yes, sir.
We'll move on to Brian Jr. Are all of his physical needs being met?
Yes, they are.
Educational,
Yes,
medical,
yes,
psychological?
yes.
Any issues with any of these needs?
No, it has been recommended for him to start the Respidone, and the fosters were under the impression the judge had to do that, which was recommended by his psychiatrist, and he has not started that yet.
Okay, you said Respidone. What's that in being
It's
prescribed
for-
for?
It's for the ADHD.
Is there a child plan of service for Brian Jr.?
Yes,
And is he following all the recommendations from those services?
yes.
Anything else that you think the court could order to help Brian Jr. at this time?
I don't believe at this time, no.
Move on to Gilbert. Are all of Gilbert's physical needs being met?
Yes,
Educational,
yes,
medical,
yes,
psychological?
yes.
Any issues with any of these needs?
No,
Is there a child plan of service for Gilbert?
yes,
And is he following all the recommendations from those services?
yes.
Anything that the court could order that would help Gilbert at this time?
I believe the intense trauma counseling is having more of an effect on him, so that would be assistant.
Okay. Was there an ICPC being done with this case?
Yes, there was.
Was that in order to possibly move the children to their paternal grandfather's home?
Yes,
And what state was that in?
I believe it was in Georgia.
Okay. Why was that ICPC process denied?
I believe there were conditions of the home that were not as acceptable.
Okay. And is it your impression that the placement needed to have all those issues corrected before we could reapply to have the home study done?
Yes,
Okay. Is the department still attempting to locate family members that could potentially take the children and adopt them?
yes.
What efforts have been made to locate other family?
Last week, we had a Zoom call with the boys, and I spoke with 4 different family members, which were 2 aunts, 1 uncle, and the great-grandmother.
Okay. Any positive outcomes come from that meeting?
No, sir.
Okay. Are you asking the court to make a finding that all of the children's needs are being met?
Yes,
Are you asking the court to make a finding that the department has made reasonable efforts to find permanency for the children in this case?
yes,
Are you asking the court to make a finding that the children's current placement is necessary, safe, and appropriate for meeting all the children's needs?
yes,
Are you asking the court to continue the department as the permanent managing conservator of the children?
yes,
Are you asking the court to continue and approve the children's current placement?
yes.
Is there anything else you believe the court needs to hear at this time?
No.
I'll pass the witness, Judge.
Okay, Ms. Ladd, any questions?
Yes, Your Honor. When was the discharge notice submitted on Brooklyn?
Today's Tuesday. Thursday?
Is that a 30-day?
Yes.
And what was the reason given?
That Brooklyn's hygiene and cleanliness and following the house rules, she's declined in that and she's starting to bully the other children in the home.
Okay. Do you know if
I'm sorry, you cut out after she's declined in that and and I didn't hear anything else.
She started bullying the other children in the home.
Thank you.
do you know if the foster home that has the boys is willing to take her?
That was originally the plan, and they have told me since then they're not able to because she's basically stealing from them and denying even when they see her take money and put it in her pocket. And they call her out on it and she says, okay, I took it, but they said they're not willing to continue to go with the line and everything.
Okay. Is the plan for the boys to leave them where they are so that they can be adopted or to move them?
My plan is to leave them where they are.
Okay, I'll pass the witness.
Okay, any other questions, Mr. Tramel?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
any
Department
other-
addressed.
Okay. Do you have anything further, Ms. Ladd?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, I will continue the department as PMC and approve the continuing placements. I will make the requested findings. If you need an order from me about the risperidone, I'll be happy to go ahead and approve that, and also the intense trauma therapy that's being requested.
I'll
Is it
file
my-
the same motion, Your Honor.
Okay, is it my understanding that you're asking for that for both Brooklyn and Gilbert, or just Brooklyn?
All three of the children, actually.
Okay, and that sounds like a good plan. Maybe we can address some of the issues that they're struggling with. Any other findings or anything else you need from the court, Mr. Trammell?
No, Your Honor, I believe you caught them all.
Okay, all right, we'll go ahead and go off the record on this one. Okay. I'll go ahead and call Knox County cause number 10327. And I believe we have probably most of the same people in this one. Let's go ahead and make our announcements. We'll start with Mr. Trammell.
Got Tramel for the department, Your Honor. We're ready.
Okay, and Ms. Ladd, are you representing the children in this case as well?
Yes, Your Honor, and Stevie Rico is supposed to be on here.
Let's see if she is in our waiting room.
I thought Tesla was going to be on, Sarah.
No, just Stevie.
Stevie? Okay.
Okay. Gloria? Could you see if you can, I can't see a waiting room anymore.
Judge, there's no one in the waiting room.
Okay, let's go ahead and go off the record for a couple minutes and give you guys a chance to reach out to her. We're gonna go ahead and go back on the record in Knox County cause number 10327, and I will note that one of the children, Stevie, is now present with us in our call, so we can go ahead and proceed. Let's go ahead and make sure we finished announcements. We've got Miss Ladd representing the children and Mr. Trammell representing the department. We've got Stevie here. I think I've accounted for her. We got Miss Shannon Sharp here. Brittany Webb, who do you represent, ma'am? You have to unmute real quick and tell us who you're here with.
I'm a supervisor with 2Engage. This case just got transferred about a month ago, and so I was the supervisor over the previous worker.
Okay, thank you very much. And we've also got Miss Carrasco. So I think that's everybody that we've got in this hearing.
We lost Miss Bishop.
We lost Miss Bishop. Do we need to wait for her to come back?
Yes. I need her.
Is she one of your witnesses? Okay, somebody might
she-
need to reach out and tell her to call back in. She might be trying, but we'll keep an eye out for her. While we're taking care of that, I noticed reviewing the documents that you've asked for extended foster care and a hearing for Tesla for 6 months. So will our cases, the two girls' cases, take separate paths at this point in terms of hearings?
I was going to ask you if you wanted me to sever them out, Judge. We could continue with it, but I don't think that that's the cleanest way. I was wanting to make sure you wanted me to sever it out, and we can.
I think that makes the most sense because Stevie's case is gonna be on a bit of a different schedule.
Yep.
Yeah,
That'll
won't we
work.
have to have hers in 120 days? So we'll go ahead and sever them out at this point, and then we'll check in separately with them.
Okay, I'll provide you with an order severing, this afternoon or tomorrow morning.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, so any idea where our witness went?
No idea.
We got all these folks coordinated, but the one we need to
Brittany, can
testify
you-
is gone.
Can you call her real quick or see what the issue is?
Yeah, I just sent her a message.
And she was here just a second ago.
Yeah,
See if I can get a hold of her.
Oh, the issues with the Zoom court.
while we're waiting for that, Mr. Tramel, can you just summarize for me what you're asking for on each case?
I'm just asking to extend Tesla for extended foster care or young adult in care until she decides she wants out. I believe Miss Ladd's in agreement with that. We have the application for that signed and filed with the court.
Okay,
I'm gonna address the driver's license issue. Tesla has taken all of the paper parts of her driver's license stuff, but she hasn't done the hours of driving from what I've been told. Sarah, is that kind of where you're at as well?
I'm not sure she's even finished the paper part of it. But yes, I'm in agreement with the extended foster care.
And Stevie, she's in a placement that I believe is adoptive. I'm gonna go over, we were ordered to do a home study on maternal grandmother. She would never set it up with the home study people, and so we still don't have a home study on her.
disappointing.
Do what?
I said that's disappointing, I'm sure.
Yeah, we were looking forward to.
Science hall, let's start with the science hall.
I'm sorry, was that Stevie?
I think it was someone in the background.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no, they call different hallways for us to get out of class.
Oh,
Speaker,
okay.
over the speaker, yeah. That's a loud speaker.
Gotcha. Okay.
And go from there. It's pretty straightforward. Perm after, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
It's a pretty straightforward perm after
Okay.
for Stevie's side.
Okay, we've got somebody, I'm gonna let them back in. I'm also gonna turn off this little fan I've got in here. Make it hurt. There we go. Okay,
There she is.
excellent. Okay, let me go ahead and, what was her name again?
Leslie Bishop.
Leslie Bishop. Okay, yeah, I did have her written down. Miss Bishop, can you hear me?
Yes, and I apologize. My computer died.
Okay, well, we're glad we got you back. Mr. Tremolo, did you want to call her as a witness?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Miss Bishop, go ahead and raise your right hand. I'll swear you in. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you will give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead, Mr. Tremolo.
Can you state your name for the record?
Leslie Bishop,
And how are you currently employed?
Permanency case manager with 2 Engage.
And how long have you had that position?
Studies hallway, we're ready for the social studies hallway.
And how long have you had that position?
Over a year.
Okay. And are you the former caseworker for Tesla and Stevie?
Yes, sir.
Who is the new caseworker that's been assigned to this case?
Cheyenne.
Cheyenne is the supervisor, and Christine Carrasco, sorry, is the caseworker, correct?
Oh, I apologize. Sorry, I thought it was Cheyenne.
No problem. And you're testifying today because the case was recently reassigned and the new caseworker isn't as familiar with it, correct?
Correct.
Okay. What are the current permanency goals for the girls?
Tesla is in extended care because she turned 18. So she will age out. And then for Stevie, she does not want to be adopted. So it's conservatorship.
Math hallway, we're now ready for the math hallway.
Okay. And where are the girls currently placed?
Tesla is placed in Bridge to Hope, and Stevie is in Dallas.
Okay. And Stevie is located at Hands of Faith in Dallas?
Yes.
Okay. Are all of Tesla's physical needs being met?
Yes.
Educational?
Yes.
In fact, she's about to graduate and walk next week, right? Or a couple weeks,
Exactly. I'm so proud of her.
as we all are. Are all of her medical needs being met
Yes.
and her psychological needs?
Yes.
Are all of Stevie's physical needs being met?
Correct.
Educational,
Yes.
medical,
Yes.
and psychological.
Yes.
Okay. Let's talk about Tesla real quick. Is it true that the department was granted conservatorship over Tesla on July the 10th of 2024?
Correct.
And that was when Tesla was still 17?
Yes.
And when did Tesla turn 18?
March 15th.
Okay. Of this year, correct?
Yeah. Yes. Sorry.
No problem. And have you've spoken to Tesla about continuing in the care of the department as a young adult, right?
Correct.
And it's her wish to continue in the department's care at this time.
Yes.
In fact, Tesla signed a voluntary extended foster care agreement, correct?
Correct.
And was that filed with this court on March the 3rd, 2025?
Yes.
At this time, I'd ask the court to take judicial notice of the contents of the file.
I will take judicial notice of the contents of the file.
At this time, are you asking the court to dismiss the department as the conservator of Tesla Jackson?
Yes.
Are you asking the court to extend the court jurisdiction over Tesla?
Yes.
Are you asking the court to confirm a trial independence period for Tesla?
Yes.
Does Tesla have a plan for what she's going to do after high school?
Yes.
What is that plan?
She would like to go to college. She wants to be a game warden.
Oh, game ward. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
At one point it was park ranger, but something to do with nature, I guess, right?
Yes, she went hunting last fall and fell in love with it. So it's
easy to do.
Exactly. I'm proud of her.
Does Tesla intend on attending the Independent Living Conference this summer?
Yes.
And has everything been sent in order for Tesla to attend that conference?
I believe so. I do not know. I need to pinpoint for sure on that.
Okay. And does Tesla have her driver's license yet?
No, not yet.
Okay. What steps is 2Engage taking to help Tesla receive her driver's license?
I have contacted Bridge to Hope. I have tried to contact some people that I do know in the area that would help her get her driving time. And that's the major holdup right now, is to have someone go and help her because of insurance and liability issues that I'm running across. But as long as we can get her to where she's enrolled in to getting some study time in online, maybe hopefully everything will fall into place on getting those hours that is required for her to pass her driver's license.
Okay, so would it be fair to say that the only thing keeping Tesla from testing to get her license is that she has not completed her driving hours?
Correct.
Okay. Is there anything that the court can do to help facilitate her being able to get those driving hours?
I'm sorry, but that is a good question. trying to find someone in the area of Brownwood.
Okay.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
apologize.
don't worry about it. Is there anything else that you believe the court needs to hear about Tesla at this time?
No,
Okay. We'll move on to Stevie. What are Stevie's current permanency goals?
just conservatorship, and then unrelated adoption.
Okay. Do you believe these goals to be in Stevie's best interest?
Yes.
Okay. What efforts have been made to achieve these goals?
Stevie is good at where she's at. She does not want to be adopted. That is a hard subject for her. So we still have to go through the process, even though she does not like that.
Okay. Is there any plans on having her moved from her current placement to like a foster home that we could get conservatorship at?
We have tried, we put in a common app, and because she wanted to stay in the Dallas area because of her grandmother, and it expired in 30 days. So we could try to put in another common app, but because of the requirements that Stevie wants, it was difficult a few months ago.
Okay. Anything about Stevie that you believe the court needs to hear about at this time?
No.
Okay. Are you asking the court to make a finding that the department has made reasonable efforts to find permanency for Stevie in this case?
Yes.
Are you asking the court to continue and approve both Stevie and Tesla's placements?
Yes.
Are you asking the court to make a finding that Stevie and Tesla's current placements are necessary, safe, and appropriate for meeting all of their needs?
Yes.
Okay. And are you asking the court to make a finding that all of Stevie and Tesla's needs are being met?
Correct.
I'll pass the witness, Judge.
Next slide.
Am I understanding correctly that Tesla has completed the classroom time for her driver's license?
I believe so.
Where did she complete that?
Online.
Okay. Did she ever obtain her permit?
I cannot answer that. I apologize.
Do you know if the classroom time that she completed will qualify now that she's over 18? Or if she'll have to take an adult driving course?
She would have to take an adult driving course.
Okay, and why wasn't she enrolled in the driving school in Brownwood?
Sorry. I have no idea. I believe that the online would be a better fit for her.
Well, wouldn't it make more sense though if she needs to do some driving time to enroll her in the driving school where they can help her with that?
I'm sorry, I can't answer that. I know that even though if she is enrolled there in Brownwood, she would still have to do the drive time out of class.
Okay. I'll pass the witness.
Any other questions, Mr. Tramel?
Nothing else from the department, Your Honor. We'd rest.
Okay. Do you have any witnesses you'd like to call, Ms. Ladd?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Stevie, I'm gonna go ahead and unmute you, or let's see. Yeah, I guess you have to unmute yourself. You know how to do that? Yep. There you go. Okay. All right, well, I know you wanted to be here today, and so you've got to kind of hear all the questions and things that we go through, but is there anything else you wanted to tell me yourself?
Nope.
Okay, I understand that you're doing really great in school and that you have a ceremony tonight to celebrate that. Is that right?
Yes.
Well, congratulations. I know you've going through a lot and you're still managing to do great in school. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Did you hear anything today from anybody that you disagree with?
Nope.
It's correct that you don't want to be adopted by anybody but your grandma, is that right?
Right.
Okay. Okay. Well, I respect the fact that you are speaking your mind on that and telling us what you want. I appreciate that. Okay, Miss Ladd, is there anything you wanted to ask Stevie while she's here?
No, I think you covered it.
Okay, all right. What about Mr. Tramel? Do you have any questions you wanted to ask him, Stevie?
No, just I'm glad that she's doing well in school right now. That's
Okay, very good.
pretty good.
Okay, does everybody rest and close then?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
Okay, well, I will make a finding that reasonable efforts have been made to find permanency. I will approve and continue the placements. I'll make a finding that they are meeting their needs and then I will go ahead and grant this and approve this order in my queue that dismisses the conservatorship on Tesla and extends the court's jurisdiction during the trial independence period. So we'll set a hearing to go over that. It's my understanding that we need to do that in 6 months. Is that correct, Mr. Tramel?
Yes, Your Honor. That's what the statute calls for.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and sever the two cases. I have got, we'll have to get you a date on that one, but I've got one for Stevie's case. Let me pull that up real quick and get everybody the right date. So let's see. Gloria, are you still with us? We'll check that date again. We were looking at court dates earlier. What date were we going to set for the next permanency?
September 9th.
September 9th. And the other case that we were on earlier this morning, we'll do that one on September 9th as well. That's within 120 days. So September 9th at 10 a.m.
Yeah.
We'll set both of these cases for that time, and that'll be in Benjamin. Okay, is there anything else you need me to make any rulings on?
No, Your Honor, I believe you got everything that I needed.
Okay, well, we'll see you guys back on this case in September. Have a good summer, Stevie.
Mm-hmm.
All right, thanks, everybody. We'll go off the record.